Hello, welcome to Tutikay Vlog. This is Mami Cherry, 9th edition of our Learning Basic Bisaya. So we will have to learn the internal organs now. So our liver or liver in Britain, your liver is atay. And then your stomach, inside your stomach is your tiyan. Your intestines, that's your tinai. And then your bladder, that's your pantug. And then the bile is the abdo. So if you want to learn for more, follow for more, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what Bisaya words you would like to learn. Comment down below. Bye!